Okay, sir. Actually, sir, first, I want to say thank you to Miss Mia because she's the one who invited me here to work. She's really perfect, actually, in comes with the how to build customer relationship.
I want to say something, please. I hope you will send this to Mia.
Yes, sir.
Mia, thank you. You are missed. We are really missing you, and we're really looking forward to get you back.
Yeah.
So thank you, Jumar, for mentioning this, and we are waiting. We are waiting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she teach me a lot here. Actually, my previous job was also in logistics, sir, but it's different, sir. But this company, it's teach me how to evolve. You know, I get more customers.
Okay.
Yeah, and actually, sir, it showed me also how I can be confident. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But also, sir, I gain a lot of customer, which I have, you know, I have my own customer, which every month I get like three times of services. Yeah. So there is a Merja Alican also, and LS Garang, and I have the Null RA in the printing, which is good that if ever that there is something another printing, they will consider us to do the service again, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So and also thank you, sir,
No problem.
for teaching me and for teaching me how to be independent also here. And also, sir, I would like to thank also you, sir, for providing me in the extent of visa. It's really helpful because you do your job to help all the staff here. Working here, sir, it's very it's very light. At the same time, it also help your mental health because Saturday, Sunday we have off, especially not on the other company that they will give you only one day off. So it's really helpful also for us to get rest, and after that when you have get work, so you are completely
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the main objective is, work-life balance.
Yeah. So that's why this company gives me also very, it's helpful, sir. Helpful, super helpful.
Great.
Sir.
Yeah. This is good. But yes.
But I wanted to tell you something, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, sir, I was worried on my visa. I already get the visa also, but unfortunately, I was refunded that because I found the new job, sir,
Okay.
which is they can give me a visa. But I was always here to support you.
Sure.
True.
Sure.
Why, sir? Like for example, if I am leaving today,
Mhm.
I will give you a lot of applicant
Okay.
who that it will help you also
Okay.
because you are so treasured to me also, sir. You are very treasured. That's why I wanted to give it back a good suggestion,
Thank
good
you.
recommendation, sir.
Appreciate it, Jumar.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Look, at the end of the day, as I started, we are a family.
Yes, sir.
Anything for any member of a family, your normal family or our family, you get a better opportunity, better offer, we will be happy for you. It's not an issue. If you want to discuss, take an opinion, you can speak to Omar, you can speak to me as an elder brother. We will be happy to assist and help you take this decision, because also moving is not an easy decision. It needs a lot of calculations to take the right decision. It's not always that easy and simple way. But we wish everybody luck, and we will be happy for anybody who find his best way and best.
No, we are happy for you that you learn things here. You know, you evolve yourself.
Exactly.
And you find a good opportunity.
Exactly.
You know, we are so happy.
And we faced it
With
before
Javeria,
with
with
a
Expo.
number of
Yeah.
Javeria, Montez.
Yeah, yes, sir. But you know, sir, recommendations, sir, or here, I will always do my best to help you, even without here.
Sure.
Like for example, for the applicant, I have lots of community also that who can help you in terms of finding the customer outside, sir.
Mhm.
So I will give you on Monday, sir. You will make an interview, like
Yeah.
for example, 7 people,
Mhm.
like that. And at the same time, sir, even without here, sir,
Mhm.
I can give you a customer, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
And I'm about to set how it will work, sir. Because like for example, today I have lots of customer
Mhm.
now that coming. So I will discuss you, sir, about this one, sir.
Okay.
And I will help. No worries. I still help
Sure,
this company, sir,
sure,
for
sure,
this.
John. Great. طيب, let's move to Afra. You're busy.